One of India's most beautiful states, where the sun rises first. Arunachal Pradesh. Its location in India's eastern extremities may mean the tyranny of distance, but it's never very far from a glaring spotlight, thanks of course to China. China in the last 1 week has raised the heat on Arunachal Pradesh, a place it describes as southern Tibet or Zhangnan, claiming it as its own. After a week of seemingly planned provocations by government spokespersons,
Zhangnan has been China's territory since ancient times. This is an undeniable fact. Where does the so-called Arunachal Pradesh come from? The United States has a terrible record of stoking disputes between other countries for selfish gains. The international community sees it clearly. There are mature mechanisms and communication channels between China and India on border issues. The two sides have ability and willingness to properly handle the boundary question through dialogue and consultations. The China-India border issue remains unresolved. India has no right to unilaterally develop Zhangnan, which belongs to China. India's actions will only further complicate the border issue and create negative disturbance in the border areas of the two countries. China strongly opposes and deplores the activities of the Indian leader in the eastern section of the China-India border and has made solemn complaints with India.
China has now provoked further by releasing a list of geographical names in Arunachal Pradesh. The 30 places named by Beijing include 12 mountains, 4 rivers, 1 lake, 1 mountain pass, 11 residential areas and a piece of land. China's state-run Global Times reported. A high-resolution map of the area has also been shared by China. The Indian government has hit back, calling China's mind games mindless.
I want to be very clear. Arunachal Pradesh was, Arunachal Pradesh is, Arunachal Pradesh will always be India.
Union Minister Kiren Rijiju also condemned China's renaming bid, calling its claims baseless.
चीन के सरकार को भी कहना चाहता हूं कि पड़ोसी राष्ट्र के तौर पर अच्छा संबंध रख करके चलेंगे तो हमारे लिए भी उनके लिए भी अच्छा रहेगा। हम युद्ध नहीं चाहते हैं, लेकिन हमारा बल ऐसा तैनात है वहाँ पे तो वो जबरदस्ती नहीं कर पाएंगे।
The opposition has also hit out at China.
ये दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण बात है और खेदजनक बात है कि वो चीन का नाम अपने मुंह से निकालने से भी डरते हैं।
China's provocations on Arunachal Pradesh have been a long-standing source of tension between the two countries, with India firmly asserting the sovereignty of its territory. What exactly is China's intention? And why is the spotlight now on Arunachal? Will this escalate further? And how does India see this play out?